All right. I think we are live. So awesome. All right. Hey, good morning, everyone. Uh, let's just pose this thing first. All right. So I think we are good. And yes, let's start where we left on Friday. So what we were doing, let me start first my project. Okay, it is working and I didn't have my simulator. Okay, where should I show it? Let me just simulator. Let me add a simulator over here first. Screen capture. All right. So I hope you guys can see it. Um, I think this would be good. Yeah. Hmm. Maybe I'll make it even smaller like this. And if I have to show anything, I'll make it just bigger. So let's make it smaller. Uh, yeah. Let's remove this text from Excali draw. So I was live on Saturday. I implemented this singly linked list in Rust. So by the way, if you guys haven't seen it, please do watch it, give it a like, and leave your valuable comments also. Okay, so let's remove this. Okay, let's start what we were doing. So we did was so what we did was we created a function that will call this API. It will fetch the Powerball numbers for us. Later we process that number. So let me just show you. It will fetch this number for us. Let me just go inside this method. It will take a URL. We have created a function and dynamic query, right? That SOQL query parameter over here, like, and we filtered it based on the date. So what we did was we only fetched the records from the last year, right? So we implemented that filter. This way our data that we received was way smaller than the without filtered one. And then we just create a vector out of it, and we just send it back, right? Here we have it. Then after receiving the numbers, we have calculated few things. We first of all, what we did was we created two hash maps because we need to create frequencies out of it. So we created two hash maps separately, inserted values and incremented the counter of each encountered value, and we created two hash maps. We sorted them. Now what we need to do, there is a little bit of confusion over here. The variable naming states that these are the sorted top five, but these are not. Give me a minute, guys. Where were we? Yeah, so there is a confusion between these variable naming. Actually, it these are not sorted top five, right? We need to get top five. So these are basically only sorted. So let me just do this. So we can say sorted first five. Okay, and just yank it. Also this as well. So this is fine. Sorted Powerball. Sorted first five. Okay, so yeah, these are sorted ones. So we need to extract five of out of them, right? So what we'll do is we'll create another variables over here. We'll quickly take the five and we'll return those as like this. So what we do is we'll create let top five. Okay, and what we'll do is sorted first five dot. I will make them iterable, and we'll take five out of them and we'll collect, and the same will go for Powerball as well, right? So instead of this we'll use sorted Powerball. Oh god, what is happening? Sorted Powerball, and we'll name it top 5 Powerball. So instead of these, now we'll return these two. Top 5 and top 5 Powerball. So yeah, so this was the update. Actually, we thought that these were not sorted, right? These were sorted. I mean, these were not top five. They are entirely they are entirely like whole numbers. So now we have our top five numbers out of them. So by the way, if you guys are still watching this live, do leave your comments and also share it this with your friend and leave a like. Yeah, so we have these, right? Top 5 and Powerball. So let's do this. Yeah. We need to display it in terminal, or we can send those back to the app, right? So what we need to do, let me just quickly grab Excalibur. Yeah. So we have these things, right? Let me just do step by step things what we have to do. Steps we need to do. First, we fetched it via URL, those numbers, right? Secondly, we calculated our logic, sorted top 5 frequencies, and now we need to send it back to the client. Send it back to the client, and on client side, what we need to do is we need to map these numbers on the inputs that we have, like 5 plus 1, right? So we need to map Powerball on these and the top 5 number on that as well. So we need to do that. So we will send it back to the client first from here. Let's do that quickly. uh, so as soon as we receive these, we'll use http response dot okay dot json API response. We have that, right? API response and status, and we have results. That is how we can pass this vector on this API response. Do we need to serialize it? Let's do this first. How do we pass it? I think we need to create a struct here as well. Then we can pass that entire struct over here, right? uh, yes, we can do that. Let's go. Do we have types over here? Yes. So this is Powerball game. uh, let's do hashtag derive serialize. Frequencies. So if you guys are watching this, please leave a like, and you can see my other videos as well if you like it. Then do subscribe my channel. So top 5, what will be it? It will be a vector of 32, and Powerball, it will also be a vector of I32. Okay, peak frequencies, let's go here what it is. mm, we need this. Let's copy this. It's actually a Drupal, right? So yeah, actually it is like this. The first one will be number and the second one would be its frequency. So first one, uh, follow same for this Powerball as well. So guys, if you are watching this, please come on chat, let's hang out and like this stream, share it with your friends, and if you think it's worth subscribing, do subscribe the channel as well. Okay, now what we need to do, we just need to do this. So we can say let quick pick because quick pick frequencies. We'll do a quick top 5 and a Powerball. Well, you moved here, buddy. Will this work? Because we have used top 5, I think we can simply do this. Quick pick. Let's see how we received it on front end. Let's make this thing first on. We'll refactor it later. Let's complete our cycle first. So we have this quick pick method. Let's see how it looks like here. Implement result and response, right? So we will have our status, and what we can do is we can log these values here. Let's see results. Let's cross our fingers and see how it goes. Let me pull up my terminal. Yes. All right. AI quick pick. Let's click on generate. Here is the terminal. Yeah. We are getting null. So is error is pending is saved. There is some issue, sir. We are getting null. Null, null. Okay, is error is pending is saved. We need to have three variables here. Uh, let's go inside this Powerball selector. So we have so guys, if you are watching this, please like this stream, check out my other channels as well, and you can ask me question on live chat as well. Let's hang out. So in result we have these things. Spending is error. It is saved. I think instead of API response, we need something. Yeah, our. Okay, let's make this. We need to make another struct as well. Powerboard results, API responses. Spending is error is saved. Spending is error is saved. These three variables I need to create a struct out of it, and then it's already done. But if uh, no, no, let's copy this thing. Quick response pub. Let's say hotfix. It is be the vector of this, right or not? No, no, no. Actually, it will be an option type of what do we have? Quick pick frequencies. Uh, we have serialize, deserialize as well. Alrighty. So if anyone is watching this stream, it's almost going empty. Come, let's hang out in chat. Leave a like and do check out my channel as well, and subscribe if you like it, if you like my work, or if you want to just motivate me, do leave me a comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's get back to this thing. So what do we pick? We need to create another thing over here. We need to create some response as well, so let's do this. Let quick pick response, quick pick response. What we need to do, what we have is quick pick response. We have is error false is saved false is pending false. What picks? What we need to do, we need to do this some quick pick. So now we need to pass this over here. Di quick pick response. Are we good? Let's check. Let's see what the terminal says. Server side we are good. On here, let's refresh this and let's hit generate. We're still getting null. Why are we getting null? I think it's some issue on front end. Let's check. What does it do? Play powerball, generate quick pick. What's this? Generate quick pick pending, and we will receive a powerball response. These are results if it's fulfilled, and results Results is payload dot results and it will be type of powerful response. Powerful response and all. Hot picks. Hot picks. Oh god, PICK. Hot picks. Yeah. Hot picks. Awesome. Anyways, I think the live is going empty. Lonely. Someone. Forward response. Okay, hot picks. Right, let's go inside this thing. This powerful response, right? We have this. Let's see, auto generate authorization. No, going good. Let's see what we receive over here. Uh, let's say let's check out the terminal. So we have empty array of this. Let's give a generate. Everything is okay. Results null. Status 200. Everything is okay. It's going over here. Everything is okay. Now let's check what is everything is okay. Everything is okay. Okay. Here we are. Here we are. We need to do something because we are returning a okay from here. That is why. See, because by the end, this is going to be returned, right? Okay. So what do we do if we got an okay? We calculated the frequencies, we received the tuple, and we received the tuple. So I think we should remove this this way. Okay. All right. We have removed this thing. Let's see how it goes. It's still null. Sorry. Let's click generate. We received now the numbers. Numbers generated result this Powerball is an array, top 5 is an array. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So we have our hot picks as well. Powerball, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 array. These are also an array. Let's go inside them as well. Let's see what we have here. This, right? Awesome. Do this. Let's empty. So basically what we did was powerwall is array inside an array. Let's decode this. Goes in this, goes this, results dot pix. So it's empty currently. Let's hit generate again. Okay. Uh, we received this in Powerball. Let me just show you just. If I copy this and let me just show it over here on the browser. Okay. If you guys can see it, this is it. So we have received this Powerball. So 11, this is the number and these are the frequencies. But I think, do we have sorted so it is descending or ascending? I don't think 11 comes to is the maximum frequency from past year. This is some false data. This is some false data. I think we made some mistake here. Calculate frequency. So guys, if you are watching this, please like this stream, share it with your friends, and we can hang out on chat as well. Do leave your valuable comments and ask me questions, or if you just want to hang out of like what I'm doing and all, you can do that as well. Let's hang out. I have created a video. I was live on Saturday as well. I have implemented singly linked list, so you can check out that as well. Okay. All right. Anyways, uh, yeah, we need to debug this thing, right? I think this is a false data because I don't think that number 11 was twice last year and it is the top frequency like hot. No, I think it's false. First, let's check out what was the numbers before sorting it and after sorting it. To do, we need to remove this. Let's do a println, and if you guys can let me know if I'm going wrong somewhere or if I need to do some different approach and all, you all are most welcome. So sorted first 5. uh it's not sorted, basically sorted will be after this, but anyways, let's call it before sorting, and this, and we'll call it after sorting. Let's see the difference and let's see if we made some mistake. I think this is for descending order, this sort by, but we'll check again. No worries. uh, if it's descending, that means the value at top should be the highest occurred, right? Let's see. uh, okay, let me just check if it is still visible. Awesome, great. Yeah. uh, let's hit again generate. Okay, so we have before and after results as you can see on your terminal. Let's copy this. Let me just show you what we received. I think we have some false data. Uh, Scalidraw. This was what we returned from response, right? And let's paste what was unsorted. So this is unsorted before. Oh god. Let me just this online. You. So guys, if you know anything that I can use it to like paste some text and show you guys, please let me know. I use only these things, right? So yes, you can see we have 29 that occurred 12 times. So I think this should be on top. This 52 is 14 times. These numbers should be on top. 56 that occurred 10 times. 33 that occurred 20 times last year. So these numbers should be on top. Instead, what we got was we got 11 that occurred only 2 times. Let's see where it is. 11, where are you? 11 occurred 12 times. It says, what kind of sorcery is this? 14 5 times. Where did we messed up? 14 5 times. Yes, it is correct. 14 5 times. 11 2 times. What the heck? 24 3 times. Uh, 24. Where are you? 24 3 times. It's 13. Oh god. Is it like if there are two numbers, is it like removing one thing? Or what? Oh, let's see what it does. I think we made a mess. Sorting, how to sort a vector. Sort a vector. 77. Alright. So vector sort. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 15. Uh, if we have float numbers, then we can do this. We can sort a vector or struct as well. Let's find how we can. That's it. AP partial comparison b dot unwrap. We have used sort by, right? So sort by, let's go on sort by. Let's read this doc. Sort by. So sorts a slice with comparison function, preserving initial order of equal elements. The sort is stable, does not read or equal element. That is okay. Worst case, if the comparison function compare does not implement total order, the function may panic. Even if the function is normal, for example, a minus b compare is a comparison function that is neither transitive nor reflexive nor total. With for more information, current drift sort by or simple look okay. So let's say we have this. So this is the ascending order, and this is the reverse sorting, that is the descending order. We need this, right? A b b dot compare. Let's do this. I think we made mess using this. B dot compare, right? So And the same goes with this as well. All right, let's see now. Let me just do this. See, it is now taking time. uh, my system पाड़ देंगे. Let's click generate again. Let's pull up my terminal. What all heavy operations, like what all, if we have like bigger application that take like resources, that eats up resources on a system, you know what they say to system? They say system पाड़ देंगे. What are you cooking? Hello Aman, how you doing, man? Nothing, I'm just working on my side project, learning Rust and React Native. So just working on a side project. This is the application that I created on React Native using Expo, and the backend I'm writing on Rust. I'm using Actix Web. So yeah, that's a fun project. I'm currently using. I'm just picking the hot numbers from the last year. So that's what I'm doing. How about you? What you doing, man? Are you a working professional or just student? Let me know if you are working on something fun. Sunday night watching YouTube. Your stream came in recommendation. Oh, okay, great, great. Thanks for staying, man. Thank you. So, are you building something as well? If you have any fun project to share details about, we can chat. So, I'm learning Rust. Awesome, great, 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 great. So, how are you like learning it? Are you going through tutorials or building your own project, or just like reading a Rust book now and working side by side? So, let's hit generate again. Okay, let's see how do we receive a result now. All right, let me just copy this thing. Let's copy this and see how it goes. Okay, so this was with our previous logic. So let's see how we go this time. 2912. Awesome, 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 awesome. Great. Yeah. So have you like thought of any project, any idea, or okay? So this was with our previous logic, as you can see, and this is with the newer logic. Let's see what it looks like after sorting on these new array. So let me, what we do is, I think these are already sorted. No, these are, yeah, these are sorted. Let's see if I do this. If I do this, let's fetch top 5 numbers and see what we get. Uh, Top 5 after sorting. I think we'll receive a good top 5. So, I mean, we can have an idea by watching this. Because see, 16 is here, 14 is here. So If anyone is watching this stream, please like this stream, share it with your friends, and do check out my other videos as well. If you think it's worth subscribing, please do subscribe my channel. uh, so let's hit 100 subscriber. Let's see how much we go. uh, I have 77 now, so you guys have been amazing. Lots, like I have a huge chunk of subscriber in last 2 3 days, so thank you everyone. Okay. All right. Hmm, I think so I have this thing right, and I need to have this value based on this. So I think this is sorting. So I think we need to go in this as well. So how do we sort by key? It works on like vectors. How about a vector of tuples? Sorting a vector of tuples in Rust needs a reference for second value. See, that's what I think I did this. So if I do a b dot 1, so there are two numbers and b dot 1. No, I think we need b dot 2, and we will have a reference over here, a dot 2, because we need a second based on this value, right? What's that? No field 2. How about 1? Yeah, I think we did something earlier was good. Uh, See this, a dot 1, b dot 1, right? So we have these tuple 1507, exactly the same condition that we have. Someone asked it 8 years ago. It says the compile through because a dot b dot 1 is u16, and it I can solve the program b dot 1 instead. I don't understand why I have to do this, especially because I do not. As already pointed out in the comments, we should have a look at the function signature of CMP. Let's see. We see that both values are taken by references. So it shouldn't be surprised that you have to pass this to method instead of this. Okay. Ah, okay. Self and other, they both are references. Hmm. So what we need, the simple solution is the dot operator performs auto dereferencing as well as auto borrowing. Let's see it in action. Okay, take and foo struct foo. Let me. This works if the type implements copy. So dot operator helps the programmer and always passes the right kind of self parameter. Okay. Okay. Type annotation not required. The kind of common. This is a method even better suited for the task sort by key. It would look something like this. We have 1501782. Tuple is 2 dot sort by key k dot 1. Hmm. I think we found something. So we have this tuple, right? A and B. So what we can do is it says that we should do something like sort by key. Uh, First 5 dot sort by key. Sorts a slice with a key extraction function, preserving initial order. Implementation greater than implemented order function. Sort by key. So we have our key here. So what we'll do is we'll use k dot. We have 0 and 1, so we'll use 1. Semicolon. Okay, semicolon. Uh, let's format this as well. So we have sorted. Now let's take 5. Let's see how it goes. We have all these orders over here. Yank this. Let's see how it looks like over here. So this is after sorting. Sorted first 5. So people, if you are watching this, please do like this stream and share it with your friends. You can hang out in chat as well. You can ask me questions and we can work and talk. So let's see how this new function works. Sorted. Let's go here. Use this. Click generate. Let's see. Sorted. I think sorted. I think. Okay. So we have 20 highest. 20 highest. We have 43, 27. Let's copy this and see. But it is sort by key. What would be the efficient approach? First, let's do this. What if we want to reverse sort it? Sort by key. Key. Let's first do this. Let's see the difference. Okay, so we have 33. 20 times. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, so I think it is sorted, but we need to do it in reverse order. Also, we need to check what is the most efficient one. But first, let me plug my charger. So, people, if you are watching this stream, please leave a like, share it with your friends, and watch my other videos as well. Maybe they were subscribing the channel. Okay. I think we have received, we have like we are able to implement what we need, but it's in reverse order. First of all, we need to like somehow it is currently in ascending order, but we need something descending so that the most occurred numbers will be on top. And other thing that we need to do is we need to find out which is the efficient one, right? CMP method by convention returns order. So we have sort by key. So let's do a simple search, which is the most efficient way to sort a tuple and rest. In Rust, the most efficient way to sort a vector of tuples depending on specific requirement of your sorting task. For sorting a vector of tuples, you need to use the often most straightforward and efficient approach. Okay, we have 1.52. For example, if your vector of this, and you want to sort the base on the first element of each tuple, you can do this sort by key. This one doesn't based on if you need to sort a custom comparison function, you can use sort by. So this is what it does unwrap or ordering equal. This approach handle cases where elements might be n by providing a default ordering on such case. In general, sorting is more efficient because it avoids the overhead of a full comparison function, but both methods are commonly used in efficient. Alright, we are going to stick by this. Somehow we need to find a way in order to, so that we can uh, yeah, how to reverse sort in Rust sort by key method. We need to find how we can reverse sort this. How to sort a vector in descending order. Rust sort by key reverse. Sort by key. Dot reverse. It is using a reverse function. Will is used to this will sort the vector in descending order based on the original value. Let's see here. Flipped comparison. No, no, no. Wrapper with reverse ordering. Reverse is a generic wrapper which has an odd instance that is opposite of wrap types ordering. If you try to reverse a containing a reference by removing star, that result in a lifetime problem. But I think it does reverse n. It took a reference over here. Then it reverses this. Like it uses this generic function reverse. Same as when you return the reference directly inside sort by key. See this also. Hence this code snippet can only be used with vectors where keys are of copy type. Create sorting then reversing. It says first sort then reverse it initially. I think sorting and reversing performance. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. A benchmark the three methods with creation for length. The timing results are listed in the order above. The left and right value shows the lower and upper one. Acha. To reproduce, save the following files as bench sort. All right, let's see if we have gained any subscribers. Anyways, we are still here. Good morning, Divya Gahatodi. How are you doing? Mm, good. Great. Awesome. 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 So, if anyone is watching, please like this stream and check out my other videos as well. Okay, so it says that we should use this thing, reverse. Uh, this, right? So we can do this. We need to do, you take a reference over here and then you reverse, and then we can use k key. Wait a minute, this sorts by key, right? 10 4 20 60. Acha, no problem. So uh, let's see if it reverse now. mm, Sorted, let's name it reversed, then we'll fetch top 5 as well. So let me just see how slow my system is. mm, let's quickly generate numbers. uh, Alright, so we have sorted reverse, and after sorting we have this. Okay, I think we are sorted. We are sorted. But 33 is 20 times. Why isn't there 33 at all? 33 is 20 times. It is doing a key. What if I do this sorting by key? K dot 1. Let's do this K dot 1. Yeah, we are good now. I think we will achieve this now. We'll again hit something. Field in this struct never used. Okay. So guys, if you are watching this stream, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my other videos as well. You can watch them, and if you think it is worth subscribing, please subscribe. And if not, it's okay. You can come and hang out over here and chat. Anyways, let's focus on this thing. Uh, let's see what's going on here. Biplab. Ekfai Tripura. to ship Shruti Yadav, an AI agent, can now use a browser and perform actions autonomously. It can basically do anything. Land borrow using a registered. Dear Michelle Obama, the time has come for truth to be revealed. Stay tuned. What just happened? I've always thought Joe Driver was an honest man. If you repeat a lie often enough, you become a Democrat. He's so tired of hearing all this bashing. Did you know this about her? Michelle is a man. What the heck? I don't want to watch. There is dong in that thong. अरे भाई let's generate. Yes, we have it. We have it. La 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 la. Right, this is what we need. We should apply this to all. So take 5 dot collect and divided. Yeah, this. So we have to remove this dot sort by key. I will take this and we'll use reverse and we'll use k dot 1. We'll take 5. Okay, now we have, let me just check if there is any to do left. No, let's go over here, hot picks. Let me change my terminal. Okay, now we have good. Now we have a result that if I do a generate, awesome. Now we are getting something useful. This is what we received on front end right now. We have this thing, Powerball. Let's see how it was. 79, 69. Top 5 Powerball after so no. I think it will same for this as well. 33, 27, 69, 43 and 45. So these are top 5 numbers. Awesome. So we have hot picks. Let me just do one more thing quickly. We have hot picks and top 5, right? Does not exist on this. Let's create this as well. What if a hot pick is a struct that says top 5 is an what is an array, and we have our array. Okay, let's go here. Let's check this thing. Okay, so what we receive here is, let's copy this quick pick frequencies, hot picks, quick pick response option. Okay. So if anyone is watching this stream, please leave a like, guys, and if you want to hang out, you're always welcome. Let's chat, and check out my other videos as well. If you think the channel is worth subscribing, please subscribe to the channel. And all right, so I think we are good over here. We only need to just test this out. We have top 5 over. So let's generate this thing and see what we got. Great. So this is what we are getting. We need to do. So we have this array. Now let's think what all elements we can add on UI to make it to show that the result we have received and all. So there are 3 ways, right? One is auto generate. If I generate this button, then it will quickly these numbers will shown over here. Or we can do one more thing. We can create another model over here. Closing this, we will create a model and we will put all the details over there. Like, okay, you say that these are the top first 5 numbers. So currently these are top 5 numbers, right? So what if we want to first 20 numbers? Yeah, let's do this first. So in timeline as well, we can do this. Custom dates as well, we can do this. Let's quickly do this. So if I generate this button, and from here we have to show something that we can use on all these 3 options, because these 2 options we need to show input, right? So with this option we have uh, multiple numbers, not only top 5, or we can do that as well with the date ranges. Let's not do that right now. We'll use generate button and we'll figure out all these things. uh, I can put a log over here that says, but that will be to check only, right? What if a user come and he didn't believe in this, so he says, okay, I'm doing this, I need to see what numbers came and I need to pick from those numbers instead of me manually. like automatically do that. Do we need to show another model over here that has all the details and all? And once we do this, we have to show the functions as well. Let's not do that first. First, let's map these number, right? Okay, so for now, what I have decided is I will generate the number. As soon as I generate the numbers, these model will be there. It says okay, the numbers has been generated. As I click on okay, these numbers will be filled over here. These number get filled on these balls and all. And yeah, let's do that first. Okay, so we have our everything set up. Our backend is working and is fetching us the detail. We need to implement something on React Native now. So we need to do is let's go over here. We have our top 5 things, right? What picks and these things. Mm, anyways, so close this function. We need to search where Powerball is. We need to use selector over here, and then let me just copy this first. So guys, if you are watching this stream at any point of time, what I'm doing is I'm creating an application in React Native and creating a backend in Rust using Actix Web. I'm trying to fetch all the latest frequencies, like all the numbers that we received over a span of time, and I'm trying to get the highest frequencies number and trying to ease out users guessing part. So I found out frequencies of top 5 numbers from past year, and I will map those in these inputs now. So I think these are the input number pad and all. This is Powerball image and Powerball label. These are the numbers. We need to map it now. So instead of these numbers, where are we getting these numbers from? These are the numbers. I can do use effect and I will fill those numbers in. Let's do this. Use effect. Mm. So I have this array. This let me just go over here and this. Yeah, I have this thing, and these are top 5 numbers. These are. I think I am doing something wrong over here because if these are top 5 numbers and it's the separate sixth number that are top 5, right? So I think I need to fetch only one that mostly occurred. And yeah, I think I need to fetch only one. So let me just do it. We'll fix these things later. Instead of this thing, what I'll do is I will take only one for power balls, and instead of this, we'll simply say this is the top power ball, right? We okay. So we have this thing now. Let's see what we are getting. result dot outpix dot power. Now let's see this. We got mm, let's me pull this thing. So guys, if you are watching this, please leave a like, share this stream with your friends, bring your friends in, let's chat, let's hang out on live chat, and check out my other videos as well if you think the channel is worth subscribing and will help you in your Rust journey. Please subscribe to my channel if you like it only. Then uh, let me just check, did we have anything? Nope. But I think we did good, I think, from in past 2 3 days. uh, so one of my Actix web video, it goes more like 102 views. That is awesome. Anyways, let's come here. Mm, let's do this quick pick. We have powerball and top 5 like this. If I generate this, I will receive something like this. So I have a powerball of 21 that occurred 13 times. That is the most, like, in last 1 year. And this, so let's map it over here. Yeah, we are going good. We need to replicate all these for like mega millions as well. So there is another thing called mega millions. Let me just show you. So if there is a powerball, and there is another thing called mega millions. So these two things, they are basically like these number games and all. Blocked. I'm not using any VPN kind of thing. I don't need to. Anyways, let's map this thing. So we have an array of arrays, right? So for our ease, let's map our powerball first. So we have set powerball function, right? So if I say if uh, it was initial empty, right? Okay, if powerball. So whenever we do this thing, we will have these both. We don't have any condition, right? So if we have anything like any one of these numbers like top 5 powerball, we also need another one. So it's a kind of dependency. So we can check any one of these. So powerball would be a short. So let's do this. If powerball dot length, and we can do this here, const powerball and top 5 from results dot hotpicks, right? So if powerball has length, that means automatically top 5 will have length. So we only need to perform some operation if powerball has length. So, and why I'm using powerball only, because it this array will be only of length 1, so it would be easy. Powerball dot length, and what we need to do is we need to perform these few operations over here. That is set powerball And what is this set powerball? Set powerball will have powerball 0 dot 1. No, dot 0, right? Argument of 5 undefined is not assigned. What we need to do? Welcome to live chat, guys. And if someone is watching, do come to live chat. We can hang out. You can ask me questions as well. So powerball 0. So if powerball has length, then we can do powerball 0 and 0. Let's see if we are facing any issues on this. Mhm. Nope. Requires one argument. So what we can do over here? Create interface with array type in जब से बस देखा तुमको यार से कोई Hmm. Mm. I need to check something. Yeah, I was having a confusion, some mixed, because we we can need some this mixed kind of thing, like array of objects and all. But overall, it's an array. I was thinking this array number, but what if we need to create something custom like this, like this, uh, like this, but it's read only. Yeah, like this. So we can have an index, a number, string, maybe an object of some type as well. We can declare like some type over here as well, or we can declare any. Like this, mixed data with object. We have this thing, but it is a 2D grid. Yeah, two-dimensional array. Huh? Is an array of arrays which can be thought as a grid of matrix. So we have number of this and we this. Oh my god! Oh my god! Hmm. So top five. It will look something like this. It is not array of numbers. It is array of. Oh, hmm. Array T requires one argument. That's what we provided. Let's do this first. Only thing that we can do for now. Let's map it. We will later figure it out. I think we need to have. We will receive not only array of numbers but maybe some in like objects as well. So Any only refers to type but being used as a value over here. Mm, this was the problem. So it means mm, so let's do this. Refresh this thing. Yeah, so what we did was actually we were having an issue accessing this element, so we tried to update some types that we declared. I was usually trying to like making it more, because maybe in future we need to pass these some other data with these frequencies as well, right? Maybe a date element or anything. So but for now I think the requirement is clear. We only need to map this thing as like, if we got have any idea of what we do next, then maybe we can always update that. So all right, we received 21. Let's match it. 21. All right. uh, uh, Now what we need to do is we need to set this. Let's remove this thing. Anyway, set powerball, what is of type string, right? So let's do powerball. Let's see if we can see anything. Reload this thing. So guys, if you are watching this, please leave a like and do check out my other videos as well. Also, if you think these videos are worth subscribing, then please subscribe to my channel. Then it's okay if it's not. You can hang out in chat as well. So I guess it's Monday. Everyone is busy with their either colleges or jobs and all. Mm, let's do this. Did we receive anything? No. Okay. Let's fetch few numbers. No, nothing changed. Nothing changed. Nothing. So we are setting the Powerball. Any project slash repo for React, which I can add in resume. For service based company, I think you can even uh, add like basic things. So what project did you have created, Coder? Hard. Do you have any projects, or you will build a project? Go to channel activity. Hello, coder. Uh, if you can tell me what projects did you have created or what are you building currently? You can add that project, host it on Vercel or something. Yeah, simply add that project for any service-based company and start preparing for interviews. You can simply search for like top interview questions in React like this. Let me just show you. You need to have basic understanding like lifecycle methods and all. So top 100 React interview questions. Do this. Prepare these. You only need. You will like in a month or so. You will be good for any like these companies. You need to be like you need to have some idea, some basics as well. But I think these questions cover almost all the questions. If you prepare them well, just a little bit up and down on each question, like search why, like if and why and how, you can do good. And at any project in resume, like whatever decent projects you are creating. I have a project which I build only using HTML, CSS, and JS, but I want a React project which is easy and good for service based company. So, are you a student or a working professional? I think you are a student, maybe, or maybe a professional from some different niche. I don't know. If you need something on React, I can suggest you to like simply go on GitHub and search for, in its search page, student final year. That's why now I am in a hurry. Coder, if you are a student now, then I will recommend you to please focus on these questions first. And if it's a like a mandatory step, you can create your own thing, right? You can create a kind of to-do app that is good too for resume. While building that to-do app, you will understand everything like state management and all. Also, other features like a backend that will send a response, save the data and all, right? You can simply build a to-do app, start building that app, and side by side give like 2-3 hours for preparing these interview questions as well. And once you do that, I think you are good to go. You don't need anything extra as a student. Just build that to do app in React. Try to use like most the best practices that you can get like from a simple YouTube tutorial or a simple search, or maybe using chat gpt can do that. Use libraries like on backend use Zord and all. Use Node.js, and on front end you will use React, TypeScript. State management, you can use Thunk, Redux Thunk and all. Yeah, I think a simple to do app will do. You don't need to like go and search and look for like a very fancy project, and in the meantime you are not aware of all these concepts and all. Focus on these questions first and side by side build to do app. This way you will have an idea, theoretically and practically, so you can do that. I think that will do. All right, so we have generated this. uh, yeah. But why it's not picking up this thing? We have a set powerball. Does that answer your question, Coderhard? What's your name, by the way? Also, if anyone new is watching, please like this stream and share it with your friends. And if you think the channel is worth subscribing, do check out my other videos as well. For that, if you think it's, then you can subscribe the channel. If not, let's hang out in chat. Let's talk. Okay, let's go over here. I think this is not updating because it doesn't reflect right now, but we can check this and test this. If it is updating or not, we can use a use effect and we can build something like called powerball. That's the state variable. We can log it over here to see if it's working, if it's updating. Powerball state variable. Hmm. Yeah, let's pull up our terminal. Yeah, it is updating, but the changes are not reflected because state updates are asynchronous. So, guys, if you are watching this stream, if you are new to the stream, please like this stream, share it with your friends, and uh, if you think the channel is worth subscribing, please subscribe. Let's hit 100 subscribers. That's what I'm saying from past few days. Anyways, okay, it will it take 1 month to learn React and make a project? My name is Ajit, and also to do app is now being more common. I think no, it's not about common. You can add like other features as well. You can simply uh, like if someone is creating to do app, like watching someone's code, then it would be like you will be far more ahead than if you create by your own. What you'll learn in to do app. Let me just show you. See, you create a to do app. You will create a front end in React. You will learn React. You will create a back end in Node.js. You will learn Node.js. To maintain these data and persist those data, you will understand some DB related thing, right? DB queries, connectivity, and all, right? And once you complete all these things, you will deploy this. You will deploy this, maintain this. For this, you will have a version control and all. So this way, you will achieve something called full stack development. So instead of copying someone else's project, you will learn all these things. So it will take more than 1 month. Let me be honest. It will take more than 1 month, but this thing will stick with you. Full stack development. You will learn React. You will learn how do we develop in React. You will maintain it. You will implement processes on Node.js. You will like, and on Node.js there is, these both things have lots wide scope of this, right? So in React you can create some UI, and within backend you can create like awesome functionalities like auth login, sending emails and all. So so you can do this. I mean, if you really want to create a thing, then you can directly go on GitHub, search for any keyword or any project on Spar. You will get at least two or three open source projects. You can copy them and update them and make it your own, right? You can do that if you want, but if you go this way, it will take some time, but it will you will achieve something. That's why I said this. So for a student, I think these things are enough, and everything is available on internet. You can search for that. All right, Ajit. uh 1 month to learn React. Yes, you can learn in 1 month, but you need to like work really hard, like 8 to 10 hours per day, like a job. And you cannot like learn by just going through the tutorials. You need to build this thing. Just don't wait. Build anything. Just open your key like system and start building. So don't wait for any tutorial or any kind of thing. Just start building. Just read, open a tutorial, like a documentation of React and all on side, and start building. I'm betting on React Native. I want to publish my own app, be it a simple app. Want to build it. Yes, we can. Yeah, you can do that if you want. But I don't know like how do we publish it, because I am just learning React Native. And I think there are other features as well. You need to do something on like Google, like Play Stores and App Store of this thing. And if you are like dealing with some money, then you need to pay some share to these as well. So there is like if you have remember last time we had some trouble, right? In Twitter I saw something like like, and like Play Store is the new East India company kind of thing. If you have like, so we need to like we pay a hefty amount if we are dealing with some amount on this app. But you can do that, like do simple app and publish it. uh, but we need to build first. That's a secondary step. What's your name, Nis Gaming? How are you, man? Gautam. uh Gautam Nishant. Nishant Gautam. Nice meeting you. Nice chatting you, man. I'm doing good. Just saw the stream out of moon and joined. Thanks for joining, man. Thank you. Thank you, Nishant, for joining. Yep. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. So yeah, Coder, what I was saying that yeah, these things you can do. So this way, not in 1 month, but you will learn something if you do this. So it's not about a to-do app. You need to just start building, and that's all. then you will realize like how we face problem, how we do this and all. Because I was at your place, because everyone keep thinking like how do we start, whether do we start this or not, we need to find a perfect project that we can show to the world. But the thing is, these are the perfect projects, these small projects, as a student and as a learner. So do this, believe me, and not in 1 month but 2 or 3 months you will learn something. So yeah, let's come here. Let's go here. Okay, so the variable is updating. We can see that state variable is updating. So guys, if you are watching this stream, please give it a like. Do watch my other videos as well. If you think the channel is worth subscribing, you can subscribe to the channel. If not, let's hang out on chat. Let's discuss anything. Okay, so we have this power state variable. Alright, and in the same way we need to do uh, this as well. Okay, so if anyone is watching new, leave a like and let's hang out on chat. If you have any questions, please uh, ask your questions on live chat. Awesome, thank you for likes everyone. I have 4 likes now and I got 2 more subscriber. Thank you whoever subscribed. Also you can check out my other videos, share these videos with your friends and all, and feel free to criticize those videos as well. So if you think something is not right, if you think I need to do something more, so please feel free to criticize those videos as well and this live as well. Okay, anyways, let's come here. Okay, let's see something. Kavach. Okay, I only have 1 month to make a project because have to prepare for interviews too, and that's why I want to make only front end in React for service based companies. Okay, then you can make anything, right? You can make inventory management system and all. Let me just show you. You can do this. Let's first do this guy. What does it do? Okay. There is a thing called if you're watching this coder hard, this is what I'm showing you. If you need only front end and you have only 1 month, so it will take a week or I think something to update this project. Let me just show you. It is called minimal UI. it's it's like free to download. You can do this. It like this, not this will be available, but it has a free version. So this has the UI. It is a kind of a management thing like this. It has a dashboard and all. It's written in React. It's a kind of admin dashboard. Update it, like let me just give you a live preview. Update it according to your needs. Update the themes and icons and all like this. It will be like this, and this way you will have some project, right? You can make these fake APIs, or create a JSON file and fetch those data from the JSON file. You will have something like this. Remove this and all, and you have a user management over here. You have a notification window. You have a language, this and this. You can do that. Yeah, this way you will have a project that has a React front end. You can make these API by creating JSON's file, manage multiple JSON file, host it on Vercel, and this way you will have your front end ready. Now when it come to your preparation, you need to really work hard on that if you don't want to like implement this and you have a restriction of time. Simply just go simply and search for top 100 or 500 interview questions in React. You will have the idea. You can have the uh, all these like kind of questions that interviewer can ask. And I mean, you need to have a subtle knowledge of this because machine rounds always like also happens. You can do that. uh, does it satisfy your question, coder? Ajit? Yeah, thank you, Ajit. So yeah, these things you can do. Good luck for your interviews. uh yeah, so if you want I can give it a link. Let me just live preview. So I'm posting a link on chat. If you want, you can download the free version, maintain a repo for it. This way you will have a front end. Toggle these things on front end. All right. If anyone is watching this stream, please like this stream and let's hang out in chat if you want. check out my other videos as well if you think these are worth subscribing. Subscribe to this channel as well. Great. Thanks for subscribing, whoever subscribed. Uh, Also, thank you for the likes and staying by and asking questions and all. Thanks, everyone. Let's come here as. So, guys, if you are watching this, please subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to ask questions and criticize the stream if you have any questions in mind. Let's hang out. We have one more hour. After that, I'll start my office and all. Come on, come on, come on. Let's hang out, guys. Anyways, select. Okay, just a minute, guys. I am just reverting to a mail. Okay. So guys, if you are watching this and if you have any questions in mind, please come on live chat. Let's talk. Also, check out my channel. Uh, English is not good, but I think you'll like it. So, how you all guys doing? How are you starting your Monday? It's already a noon. I think everyone is in office today. We'll start our office too in an hour. Uh, okay. What happened? Did we messed our cables? No signal. Let me just fix one thing. Hmm. Anyways, let's start our thing. So where were we? Where were we? So we need to map these things. Okay, no one is in live, so let's start our thing. Where were we? Where were we? We were here. Yeah, we received our response. We need to map it, right? So we need a way. So here we can see that okay, state is updating, but we need to reflect it in our component as well. So let's do this. What we need to do? Uh, so we are waiting for this thing, right? Hotpix. Let me just check one more things over here. Powerball. Okay. Yeah, let's remove this thing for now. Let's see if Powerball has length. Let me refresh this page. No problem. Let's do this. Nope, nothing happened. Actually, if I generate this after some time, these inputs that we are showing here, these should be filled with those like those top 5 numbers and a Powerball number. We need to do this, but first of all we need something to show that our okay number has been generated. We need to do some fixes over here. Let's say spending error is saved. Let's make one thing over here. Is mm, generated. Let's make it false. Also guys, feel free to criticize the stream as well if you have any problem or if you want something. Yeah. Pick pick submit status. Let's head back here. Let's create this thing. We have this, right? What we can do is right. um, Instead, if we have any error, we'll replace these with this thing, right? Is error. Okay. So what we need to do now, we need a model over here. Let's remove this thing. mm, we need a model. Wow, we need a model that says this, right? Let's copy this React Native model. This is a pop-up touchable opacity generate. Yeah, we need a pop-up. Let's say we have successfully saved our numbers. Yeah, let's do that. So guys, thanks for watching this stream, and it's showing I have 100 views. That is awesome. These are the most views I have got so far in a live and in any of my videos as well. So thank you for that, but please stay and ask questions. This let's make this live more engaging, right? Okay, we have Powerball. We need quick pick configs. And if you're watching this, leave a like, stay in live and ask questions. Let's discuss something. uh, okay, so as soon as we receive, I think we have to handle this over here, this view, right? Inside this view we need a model, and this model has to be visible only after this thing is generated. As we click on this set is set is generated to false. Okay, set is generated to false. Let's do this. Set is generated to false. We need to create these state variables. What we need to do, once we have this, we need also we need to close this pop-up as well, right? And what is this pop-up? This is this AI quick pick and all, right? Open quick pick thing. So let's copy this. We'll paste this over here. Both our things will work now. We can show something like we have generated numbers for you, and will automatically play like this. Instead of this text powerwall over here, we can do quick pick, and instead of this check we can use icons dot ai. So we need to create these models over here now. For quick pick response, let's create these state variables. Go on top. Let's start building this. So if anyone is watching new, please give it a like and share it with your friends as well. Check out my other videos, and if you think these videos are worth subscribing, please subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, we are here and live chat is open. Let's hang out, discuss something, make this chat more engaging. Ask your question, whatever you have in mind, not just strictly related to this stream. Anything. Let's discuss something. Set open quick pick is generated. What do we say here? Set. What we have here is generated. Let's do this. Set is generated, right? Yank this. Yes. And let's do this thing. Let's see how it looks. Are you guys able to see this pop up? Let me just show you. If I do a generate, this will close and a pop-up will appear. No, it didn't work. Why it didn't work? Let me just check. Let me just check. Is generated. It's false. It is generated. We need to do make like update this as well. So we have this true over here, and as soon as we do this, hey, wait a minute. What am I doing? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let's go here. What is this? Uh, saved. Okay. So, guys, how are you all doing? If you have any question, please ask them on live chat. Do this. Or if you guys know any jokes as well. Hmm. We have a problem. Are we not able to do this? Why is generated? Let's log our result is coming. Hello, hello Kogo. How are you doing? Uh, great, great. Not in Web3, sir. I mean, yes, I love the concept, but not that interested. No, sir. Are you in Web3? I think it is very fascinating. Like, thing. I can see that. So, like, are you building your something Web3 project or what? Reason for using Rust? I want to learn Rust just to be like write some utilities and all. I have like I searched for something and I thought so. How I implemented is I was using my, I was a JavaScript developer, so I had a Node.js server in that. So I had few things that will like take like very much time in that. So I thought how we can do that. So I have this language Rust, and I think that it is growing popularly, and so that's why the reason I also it is a fun language, right? So it's a very like a kind of low level language. So I was always like attracted toward these things, like in like terminals and all and all. So I thought I should learn this, and it has a lots of scope, as you can see, like you said, on Web3. But there are other things as well. You can really go for embedded languages and all, embedded programming and all, and everything. If you look, everything people are writing like rewriting in Rust. So that's why I learned it. Yeah. Reason for using Rust. Okay, no, I'm learning for Web3 security. Hmm. Can you please like tell me more about it? Yes, I'm working, Kogo. How about you, man? Are you working or are you a student? I can see that your channel has few gaming videos. So, how are you planning to learn this thing? If you could explain a bit. It is one of the growing space. 2 billion capped, competition is less. Yes, competition is less. Yes, you can say that. So, do you think it is overhyped and all? Do you believe that? Solidity. Okay, okay, great. I have created okay, okay. Yeah. So, last year I was like very much, attracted like towards Web3. I was, it's in starting phase. Great, great, great. Keep going, man. So, in like last year, I was thinking, I had a lot of time. So, I thought that let's start this thing. Web3 was very fascinating for me. So, I started like reading like these things. What is Web3? How these thing works and all. I encountered like few things like should I develop in Ethereum or in Solana and all. So then I saw Rust. Then first of all I didn't took it. So I thought that okay, it is very like completely different from what I did. But Solidity, it was very much attractive and easy to learn, and not an easy language, but yeah, okay. Yeah, it's not an easy language, but I think it is familiar, and the it's not very much kind of verbose and all. Uh, so built like some contracts in that. Like I watched and learned how do I like deploy my contract, how to create a contract and all. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Correct, correct, correct. So the language is much more familiar. So it can have a larger audience. Also, the community is strong. But for Rust, we secure smart contract in Web3. Okay, great. And how do we do that? How do we secure smart contracts in Web3? Yeah, so I gone through like by finding bugs. All right. Okay, so you kind of take a smart contract and just start reading that or test it out, right? Or look for the findings. Great. And look for the vulnerabilities and all. Okay, yeah, that is a good thing. Great. So is there any business developed around it, like finding bugs secure? Okay, can you explain it a bit, how uh, that process works? Let's say I have a smart contract and I've found something. What I'll do as a business? So let's say I have let's say you find a bug in my smart contract, right? I don't think you know that I have deployed a smart contract. It's somewhere. So you found that smart contract and you start finding and you found a potential bug in that. So what what are you going to do? How you will like develop business around it? You said that there is a business around it, right? You find a bug and all. Uh, mm-hmm. Okay. So, guys, if you are new on this stream, please like this stream and check out my other videos as well. If you think these are worth subscribing, please subscribe to this channel and feel free to criticize this stream and other videos as well. And let me know if you are like facing any issues on this stream, like lagging and all. In report. Then firm will pay us. Okay. So, okay, the firm will. Can you just tell me, is there any Are there any organizations doing that? Because any name or something, Web3 security. Code for Rina, Sherlock. We have this Web3 security for business. Okay, code for Rina, Sherlock. All right. Companies like IBM, Walmart, Visa are embracing Web3. Okay, security Web3. Solid plan hosting. The space is popular in Twitter. Okay. Yeah, I got it on Twitter. Okay. That's awesome, man. Let's find. Let's find for code for Rina. Hmm. Okay. Okay. So you do an audit and unique high security vulnerabilities, unique findings, and all. So are you working on this, or you are just planning to work for these? Mantra chain bring. Okay. Yes, I think this is great. This is great. I'm in learning phase. Okay, awesome, awesome. Great. Yeah, that's a good thing. Web3. Great, man. What's your name, Kobo? Are you from India or great? Awesome. So upcoming audits. Cosmos Go, Rust, Solana Rust, Pump Science. Great, man. Uh, it's good to talk to you. And this, yeah, this is a good thing. Web3 security. I think this will stay as soon as Web3 stays, as long as Web3 stays. So, okay. So, are you not interested in web development and all, or have you tried it, or just switching? Total award is this. So we have awards as well in this. Competition is too high. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Correct, correct. I agree. I agree. Uh, let me just tell you one thing. So when I was pass out, we learned Java. So it was Java that time, and when we go out for interviews, so those were like offline, off-campus interviews, and the competition was so high that the interviewer was an like an aged man who knows everything, and like we didn't stand any chance. Like how much can we learn? And he was like it looks that he was frustrated and all, and he was asking a very like tough questions. So the reason I left it that was this only. Then I opted for JavaScript, React, and all. And the competition was high as that at that time for React as well, but today it's like very much high. So at that time I got easily placed for Rust. I had some few JavaScript. Yeah, I had some JavaScript basics and all, and I got hired. And after that, it was easy. I worked for some time in JavaScript technologies. Yeah, so it's a good thing to. It's. I mean, I think it's a smart move to uh, go for these things. So instead of going with everyone, web development and all, I think it's a smart move to reduce the future and all. So good. Uh, just wait a minute. In this Web3 security, no fancy requirement. Yeah, correct, correct, correct. You only need to have just skills due to the lack of people. Great, great. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's true. That's true. That's true. How is the community? Is it wide? I think fewer people are there only. Only the one with the Web3 people, right? Mm, mm, yeah, right. Actually, yeah. Last year I learned some of few concepts of solidity and all. Yeah, 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 that is true. More from West. Yeah. I think I in Twitter I saw that India is also working hard on this. So there are like communities as well, events and all. So yeah. For this Web3 security, 20 rupees per hour. Yeah, 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 yeah. Web dev. Even like people are willing to work for free, at least on initial phase, like students and freshers. They are even, yeah, let me just, it reminds me a story. When we were out for jobs and all, we were like interacted with few payouts are crazy. Yes, yes, yes. I can see that. I can see that like $20,000 in USDC is the award of this pump signs that you can see on your screen. Yeah, that is crazy. That is crazy. So where was I? Yeah. So we interacted with few companies like owners and all. You know what they said? They said that you need to pay us the rupees if for 3 months if you want to do an internship and all. So few of my friends did that because they were all like trying from months, So, but I didn't do that. I think India is like cheap labor is lots and lots of cheap labor is there in India. People are willing to work for free. Like even the very skilled one are willing to work for free. Have you tried like this thing? What do we call it? Upwork and all. Okay, that is crazy. Hmm. Yeah, we have to 15 to 20. Hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right, right, right. Yeah, yeah. I understand. Right, right. I had a very bad experience on Upwork. Like I tried for months, buy some these credits and all. I got few invites, or let's say link for invites, but they didn't revert me back. I think, but that clients are very cheap. They were like paying 100 rupees per hour and all. That is for the like entire project. They were doing that. Hmm. Yep. Hey, thanks, man. It was nice chat. Great. Thank you very much. Uh, Thank you for being here. Sure. We'll talk someday. Great. Thank you for being here in live and talk. It was a nice talk. And have a good day, buddy. All right. So it was nice talking with Kogo, and let's start. Where were we? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm trying to doing that. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. So powerful state variables and life can be done after 100k subs. Yes, yes, yeah. We can do that. Yeah. But making tutorials and all, it is like I need to like I have created few videos, but it's a 2 day job. I have 5 days office job. Then on Saturday uh, record that video, and so the way that I talk English is very normal, right? Below normal or something. So then I need to edit that, cut those things and all. Mm-hmm. Please go ahead. More real-time projects like Harkirat. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, that guy. Yeah, that is very skilled. Harkirat Singh. Kirat, right? Kirat Dev and all. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right. Correct. Got it, buddy. Awesome. Awesome advice. Great advice. Yeah. Thank you, Kogo, for this awesome advice. Thanks a lot, man. We'll implement that as well. Yeah, surely. We'll do that, and we'll see you soon. And have a good day. All right, let's complete this thing. So I think we have some 20 minutes and all. All right. Okay. So where were we? Yeah. uh Once a result is generated, we have this is generated true. Let's refresh this. Let's understand how this is coming first. So we have results over here. Let's see what we are getting. So we have is generated to true. As soon as we receive is generated, this model should open. Let's do that. Let's refresh this format. Mm, let's see. Okay, we have updated state over here. It says is generated true, and it's inside results. Okay guys, if you are watching this stream, please leave a like and do check out my other videos as well if you think so. Give me a moment, I think I have some notification. Great. I think I'm getting a call. All right. Okay. Yep. So so guys, if you are watching this stream, please like this and share it with your friends. Also check out my other videos. I think we are about to hit a time. In 10 minutes or so we'll end this stream because it will be 2 p.m. on, and after that I'll have to do my office job. Okay, so let's see how it goes now. If I generate this, it should open, but it's not opening because we have some issues. Why don't I make a separate thing? Results dot is generated uh, result of this generated. Mm, let's do this thing over here. If results dot is generated, then that is generated to uh, true. Let's do this thing. Yes, we have it now. So I think that was the problem. We were not handling it. So instead of game saved, what we'll do is, let's go here. Instead of game saved, let's this. Let's play this thing. Uh, refresh it. Let's see how it goes. Let's generate this. Hmm. So I think it's time to end our stream. Uh, if anyone is watching, if anyone is new on this stream, please like this stream and let's see how it goes. Yeah, they are doing good. Okay. Yeah, we have this true. 5 minutes more. We are still not able to. I think there is a problem with this. We need to update these logics. Mm, but let's do one thing instead of doing all these things. Use effect result is saved and all. Let's remove this. Let's quickly implement this thing first. So we are waiting for this, right? If it's generated, then we'll set it to true. And if not, it is this. Okay. Let's not do this as well. Let's do Powerball. Mm. Let's remove this. Let's remove this as well. Okay. So guys, if anyone is new here, please leave a like and check out my other videos as well. So let's create a updated data function over here. and what we'll do is we will create few things over like top 5 over here, and we'll create a powerball over here. What we'll do, we will try to take these values from here, right? So we have results dot picks dot top 5, right? And we'll map it. Okay, we'll fetch the first number, and the same will go for this as well. Results dot hot picks dot powerball dot map. We'll do this thing num 0, right? Num is implicitly of type this. It will be of type I30. Oh, sorry, number. No, no, no. We did something wrong. Now we can do this. Num of type any, because it will be an array inside an array, basically a tuple. Because we're returning tuple, so let's do this for now. We haven't used this. What we're gonna do is we will update these values over here. So set numbers, we gonna use top 5. So these numbers I will update this state on, and use set powerball. We use, what are you gonna use? Powerball. All right. Let's make one thing. Instead of top 5, let's do this. For now, let's create this thing. We'll do that thing later. Let's see how it goes, but first let's check this thing. Mm, so guys, if you are watching this, if you are new to the stream, please like this stream. Also, we have like we hit our time, so I think we need to leave now, but let's complete this first. So also, if you are watching this, log, what we are going to do, numbers, right? And instead of these numbers, let's do updated data. Okay, let's see how it goes. So guys, if you are new to this stream, like this stream, and do check out my other videos as well. The live is going to be end soon, so let's see how it goes. As I can see, these numbers has been filled because we already have. Let's refresh this thing, and okay, it is empty. Empty. If I do this, it is not returning anything, so it should be empty, by the way. If I do this, So these values are being filled over here, but initially we can do this over here. uh, if results dot hotpicks, only then it will get updated, right? So if anyone watching the stream, let's hang out. Maybe we can stay for a while and ask your questions. If you are new to the stream, like this stream, let's hang out. Okay, if I do this, okay, these are generating, but I think we need to, instead of this, let's do this over here. If hot hotfix dot powerball dot length, and let's do one more thing over here. Log type of results dot quick pick results dot hotfix dot. All right, people, if you are new to the stream, please like this stream, share it with your friends, and if you are new, let's hang out on chat. Let's discuss something. We have a great discussion today with Kogo and few other members. Aman, Ajit, Kodhad, and all. Thank you for being on stream and hanging out with me. Let's check out this thing. So I think it's time to end the stream. Let's do another round of test. It is of type object. Got it. If I do a generate, these numbers are getting filled. I think we have achieved this thing, but Powerball is still not happening, right? Set Powerball is Powerball. Map num any. So you see, I think we have implemented this thing, and what we were trying to do is, as soon as we click generate, we need our these balls, these power balls. It needs to get updated with the recent numbers that we fetched, right? The hot numbers. So instead of this hotpicks.powerball.map, we can do ball 0.0. We can do that. Yeah, because its type is object. Array is also an object of type of like object, right? So that's why it shows us object. So mm, let's do another round of test. I think we have achieved that thing. So initially, as you can see, we have these empty balls, right? So as soon as I click this functionality generate, it should fetch the number and fill those fetch number on here, so that a user can directly play the game. So we'll do that. So let's generate number. We have to show some loading icon over here and all, and as soon as it's complete, it should be cleared this pop-up. We need to implement that as well. So as you can see, I have a number field over here but not Powerball. But why is that? Why is that? Yeah, so we have to have some number over here, right? Let's do something. Let's see what we got here. I think we have received, we are getting the right value, but the update is not happening. But why? Other things are updating, right? Play, generate, and what do we receive? We receive 21, but we are not able to set it over here. That is something messing me out, or I need to quit the stream. That is why I'm not able to think. Mm, can I do that? Set Powerball. Array 21, right? Powerball. It's a string. So guys, if you are new to the channel, please like this stream, and I'm facing an issue currently. If you guys can deduce it, you can also uh, like come on live and tell me. So this is the function that I have written. I was able to update these things and I'm able to fetch the value out of it, but these two states update are not happening. I think so I'm having an like, if I comment this, I think then the power will rate. Let me do that. If I refresh this, let this, if I click it over here, generate this, generate. No. Great. I think we solved the issue. The Powerball is getting updated now, as you can see. The issue was it was a number that we had and we need to parse it to string. So either we can do number string, we can do this as well. That is why we are having an issue, right? This, if we can do this, we don't need to pass it over here. Let's see, let's refresh this. If I go over here, quick pick, generate, string is number is not assignable to type string. So the Powerball that I have, it is doing this Powerball. play Powerball. I need to update few things over here. Play Powerball, Powerball data input, numbers, Powerball. What I need to do? So people, if you are watching this stream and if you are new to the stream, stay on this stream and like this stream. Come, let's hang out. uh, I think we can stay for a while. Okay, so we have this issue figured out. Let's do this. All right. um, mhm. I think we need to undo all these changes. We need to parse it, and let's figure this out now. Mm. Okay, let's fix this, and after that we will leave for the day, and we'll start our office job now. Let's do this. Hello Venon, how are you doing, man? Thanks for passing by. I think I need to do undo these things. So let's make it a string. Let's do this. One more thing we need to do. We need to just do this. Hey Venon, thanks for passing by. If you are here currently, thank you. Can you share the GitHub link for this project? Sure, we'll do that. We'll do that. Uh, are you a working professional? Okay. Are you a student? Currently, I'm in fourth year. Okay. Awesome. So, are you building something? Are you Are you working on a project or something like that? And if you are, then can you discuss like what kind of project it is? I would love to hear it. We all would love to hear it. Learning about Rust. Okay, great. Awesome. So, yep, I think we are here. So I think we have to parse it over string. So as you can see, if I click over here, it will go and fetch all those numbers and put it over here. So if I do this, as you can see, all these numbers are here. And if I play this game right now, you can see the game has been saved, and this user, the entry has been saved against this user that it has placed this number. All right, so I think we are done for today. The time is up, and I need to start something other thing. Okay, so yeah, a few things. Let's discuss what we did and what are the scopes for improvement on this. Yeah, few things. All right, let's start from here. So improvements on this project. First of all, loaders on a quick pick model, right? We need to implement a loader over here. And secondly, as soon as I click generate, I need to, yeah, that will do, a loader part will do. And as soon as I receive response, as soon as I receive any response, I need to close the model, right? I need to close the model as soon as I receive any response. So these improvements also, as soon as I close the model, this should be quick. That is okay, that is okay. Yeah, another model we have to show, a pop-up. Another pop-up which shows the status, like either a status or a message, right? Or a message. So we need to do these things. After that, this will be good, and it will be like okay to be, it looks good. Then if I do this quick pick and generate, first of all, there are no loaders right now, right? And as you can see on the back, I think you need to see this like this. Let me just do this as well. Yeah, let me refresh this. Great. So if anyone new joins, you can like this stream, check out my other videos as well. If you think these channel are worth subscribe, then please subscribe to this channel as well. And we have 80 subscribers. That is awesome. I achieved 3 subscriber. Awesome people, thank you for subscribing. Thank you very much. So yeah, as you can see on your screen, this is what we have done. So if I click over here and I do a quick pick, and I have these 3 options, right? So if I click generate, first of all, we don't have any loader right now, so we need to implement that. That's what I wrote over there, right? So that's a scope for improvement. So if I do generate, as you can see, there is nothing. So either we need to disable this button or a message saying loading. And as soon as I like this process request completes, as you can see, these balls, the power balls on the back has like a number automatically inserted, right? So this is the desired functionality, but few things here. This model should close, and as soon as this should close, there should be another model before these value automatically feeding and all, which says that okay, the process has been successfully completed or the number has been generated, kind of thing, right? So we need to do that as well. So we can do that on next time. It should close, and as soon as there are these numbers, I will play this game, and you can see how fast this is. It has been saved in database already. So game saved. All right, guys. So that's it for today's stream, and I have other things to do right now to earn some money. All right, let me, yeah. So thank you everyone whoever visited my stream, and all the beautiful people out there who suggested me and make this stream more constructive. Thank you very much. Everyone who liked the stream and still viewing this, thank you. I thank you very much. And see you on the next video. Maybe I'll create some tutorial, and we will create last time we did an enum, right? So maybe we can do something. Yeah, I will try to figure out anything. Yeah. Okay. All right. Bye bye, and see you later. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.